Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Sky blue color, green color, violet color, yellow color, red color, brown color, pink color, dark green color, orange color, peacock green color, black color, light pink color, blue color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Kite. Oval. Rhombus. Heart. Right triangle. Pentagon. Green color. Kite. Kite. Green color. Blue color. Oval. Oval. Blue color. Red color. Rhombus. Rhombus. Red color. Brown color. Heart. Heart. Brown color. Yellow color. Right triangle. Right triangle. Right triangle. Yellow color. Dark green color. Peacock green color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Peacock green color. Green color. Blue color, red color, brown color, yellow color, peacock green color. Kite, oval, rhombus, heart, right triangle, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.